Mommy's chair isn't really a color, huh?
Yeah.
Kind of white.
White. It's pink.
That's purple.
Purple. So white.
White.
Look, this white.
Yeah, the wall is white. It's white, huh?
That one white.
That one's
Right
white.
there.
Mm-hmm.
White.
It is.
Green wall.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
That's white?
So
Yeah, it's the fire alarm. That's white.
So just down the down. White.
Is it nice outside?
White.
Is it raining?
Raining.
Yeah.
What, Mommy?
Hmm?
What's it showing? Trees.
There's a lot of trees, aren't there?
Okay, doors. Okay, silver. This one. Okay.
You want cheers? Cheers.
Look, there's flowers.
There are
Right
flowers. Yeah, where? Show me. There are the flowers.
There is
Yeah.
green. There. They go. It's pink. Okay. I know. What is hard you want to be too?
1, 2, 3 chairs. You could bring 3 friends here, couldn't you? We could have Chloe sit there, and AC could sit there, and Isla could sit there.
Yeah.
And maybe Inara could sit there.
Yeah. Cuckoo, sit down. Fluff, fluff, let's sit down. Oh, good smile never wake at mine. Okay?
Is that your breakfast? Oh, I think it's yummy.
There you go.
No, thank you. Here, let's put this closer to you. There. Now it won't spill.
Where is someone there? There. Okay, just soap. I got soap for that.
Hear the birds. You're goofy. Is the yogurt good?
Yeah. And finger?
It's on your finger.
Yeah, like a finger, because it's fun.
It's fun to put it on your finger, huh? get in your hair. Mmm. Where did Daddy go?
What does it go? Go home. Home.
Did Daddy go to work?
Yeah. Okay, start putting this of horsey. Look, it's horsey. It's horsey. It's horsey cow.
Is there a horsey and a cow?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
It's a horsey cow.
Can I see?
What is a cow?
Oh, cows. There's 3 cows. 3 cows.
Look, it's a duck. Look, it's a duck.
Is it a duck?
There.
There's a choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Look. It's a girl. Oh, yeah.
Hmm?
Look, it's a bunny cow.
Mm-hmm.
It's a glass of my info. Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm taking a video of you talking. What are you doing?
I have food.
You have food. You're eating.
Yeah.
Kind of, but I think you're talking more. You're talking, huh?
It's snowing.
It's snowing. It's pretty foggy out, isn't it? Snowing.
Trees or trees.
No, there's lots of trees out there.
Right? And your door. Okay?
It's a window.
Rainbow.
Window.
Rainbow.
Yeah, we can open it.
A rainbow.
But if we open it, it will be cold.
Yeah, cold.
Can I have a bite of your yogurt?
I know. Cheek.
It's your cheek, yeah.
Our cheek.
You got, how many cheeks do you have?
1, 2.
2 cheeks. How many noses do you have? 1.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, you have 3. How many eyebrows do you have?
1, 2.
Ooh. How many fingers do you have?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4,
6 fingers. How many toes do you have?
1, 2, 2.
1 toe. 1 toe.
1, 2, 1 toe.
Elodie, what are we going to do today? Yeah? I don't want any on my cheek. You going to eat it? Will you share a bite with Mommy?
Okay.
It's on your lip.
Yeah.
Ew. You say, bless you.
Mommy, I have a poo. Poo. Mommy, a poo.
Poo? Do you have to go pee-pee? you want to go pee-pee over here?
Pee-pee. Coffee?
That's Mommy's coffee.
Okay. My coffee.
This is your coffee, yeah? Mmm.
Mommy, coffee.
Mommy's coffee.
Mommy, coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, my adult coffee.
Add Dodi's coffee.
Mommy, coffee.
That's my coffee, and that's your coffee.
There you go. There you go. Oops.
Did you get something on your hand? You gonna lick it? There.
There goes Mommy.
I'm drinking my coffee, thank you.
My coffee.
It's your coffee, yes. What's this?
What's this?
Is it banana?
No.
Oh, what is it?
It's an apple.
Apple. I think it's pear.
Pear. It's open.
You gonna open it? I think it's already open. I think you can eat it now.
And Mommy.
Yummy.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm taking a long video of you talking.
That one?
That one.
No?
Yeah.
Juice?
Juice?
Okay. Break it?
Is that for Mommy?
Yeah.
I can have it? Oh, thank you.
There you go.
Mm.
Juice?
Juice for Mommy too? Mm. Ooh, thank you. That's delicious.
Apple?
Mm. No, thank you. I had apple already. Should we do a craft?
Craft.
Craft? Okay, let's do something fun.